Hi mamas, parents and caregivers. I hear a lot of you always talking about vegetables and obsessed with this thing about how do I get my child to eat more veggies, and it's such a valid concern. I would have it too, except that touch wood, Shukar eats her veggies really well, and a lot of you, especially people who know me, people who've seen that, ask me how do I get my baby to eat her vegetables so well. So today I'm going to talk about that, and honestly, whenever I hear that, I feel really happy, proud and very content. So today I'm going to talk about a few things that worked for us, not rules but just general things that worked for us as a family. So let's dive in. Point 1, start your solids journey with vegetables. That's definitely the first thing we did. At around 6 months, when Shukar started eating her food, the first things we introduced were vegetables. हमने शुरुआत की लौकी से, which is a very very neutral flavored vegetable. उसका कोई ज़्यादा sweet या मिठास या salty taste नहीं होता. So लौकी दी, गाजर दी, beans दी, all the vegetables एक एक दिन. And the other tip that I did follow, which maybe should be another video, but I'm just going to say one line, we gave her little pieces. So we did not mash, हमने प्यूरी नहीं बनाई, हमने उसको अच्छे से steam करके as a big piece दिया. And from day one she learned how to eat and hold and chew the vegetable, and she still does it beautifully. If you guys want to know more about this, maybe I can make another video on baby-led weaning. So yeah, that's the first and most important point, because children have to, and they start with different textures, exposures, and that early exposure to vegetable matters more than you think. Point number 2, we eat our vegetables too. Not by force, but extremely naturally. It's just entwined in our daily lives. She watches her father eat her veggies, she watches me eat veggies, she watches her dadu, dadi, nani, everyone eat vegetables happily, and that also matters. When they see that the adults around them are enjoying this food, they are naturally drawn to it. And I see that जब मैं एक broccoli खाती हूँ या करेला भी खाती हूँ और मैं खुशी से, oh my god, this is so good, and as opposed to if I'm eating a cake, I'll be like, not so good. So that natural attraction to that happens. And also the more they see, when they see naturally in our lives every day, we love eating vegetables. I love, Ashish loves, so it comes very naturally to us as a family. So I think that's very very important, because kids honestly don't learn by listening, they learn by watching. So eat your vegetables if you want your kids to eat them too. Point number 3, just remember that veggies are normal food too. You know, they're part of our lives like dal, roti, sabzi. Very very simple. अगर खिचड़ी है तो उसके पहले salad, chicken rice है तो उसके पहले salad, things like that. You know, it's not some big task or a challenge कि अब सब्जी खिलानी है. No, just simple. It's there for everybody to eat. Everybody eats it. No pressure, no drama. Point number 4, and an extremely important one even for me sometimes, because even I forget it, that let curiosity lead. Sometimes it's okay if the baby rejects a vegetable at first, because maybe it's a new or a different or an icky texture for them, and that's all right. If they want to explore first before putting it into the mouth, there's no need to panic, because sometimes when we force feed ki nahi ye to khana hi padega, then they start rejecting it more, and it's very important for them to explore it, because familiarity comes before preference. Point number 5, we eat together as much as we can, and even when Ashish can't join us sometimes for work, at least I make it a point that I eat all my meals with her, or most of my meals, and that makes a huge difference, more than you think, because when they see that their parents are eating the same things, and that whole shared experience of sharing the food and eating together as a family really contributes to your child eating the same things, and same things means vegetables. And finally, the last point, point number 6, consistency over control. Some days she eats less, some days she eats more, and honestly it's all right. There's no need to control that situation. My job is to offer, and it's her job and her life experience to see what she wants to eat and when she wants to eat, because while trying to control, we kind of achieve the opposite result. You know, then we create a detachment or an aversion to those foods sometimes, which we don't want happening. The most important thing for us as parents is to create an environment where she can choose safe and healthy options to eat and just thrive in and build a positive relationship with food. So I hope this helps in your solids journey. Especially this video is really going to help you if you're starting your solids journey, because then you can set these habits super early on as opposed to trying to make them unlearn and then set in new habits. So I mean, I hope this video finds you if you're in the beginning of your solids journey. That would be amazing. And I will just give a parting pro tip would be that when you're starting your solids, so even before Shukar started her solids at 6 months, उसके पहले से ही हमने as teethers उसको vegetables introduce कराए थे. So when she was teething at 3 months, 4 months I think, or maybe even 5 months, we gave her frozen carrots, frozen celery sticks, cold spring onions and things like that. Of course, please check with your pediatrician, because you know sometimes they can be choking hazards, etc. So do your research. What works for me may not have worked for you, but yeah, that really works. You know, if you introduce those things as cold teethers and even things to play with, then by the time they are ready to sit up and eat their solids, they will accept the vegetables far more willingly. Well, I hope this really helped, and if you agree or disagree with something, let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon. Bye.